This PIL concerns the continuous denial of fundamental rights guaranteed under Article 21A of the Constitution.
Have you given some instances, some schools?
Sir?
Have you been able to identify some schools who are not doing it?
Sir, issue is that schools come later. This act has not been implemented in Punjab at all, sir, for the last 15 years.
No, in High Court they say that
Sir, the Honorable Supreme Court in 2012 had upheld the constitutional validity.
No, there is no doubt about it. Act is because of the judgment of the court only. Therefore, it has to be upheld, rightly upheld.
Just my humble submission, sir. Sir, in the 2012 judgment, the Honorable Supreme Court had not only upheld the constitutional validity, sir, it had also specifically directed that this judgment shall apply to all schools from 2012-23.
So therefore, we want to know, Mr. Raju, that which are the schools where it is not implemented?
Sir, it was not implemented.
No, that we will not agree. Please come to page 12 of the High Court. There is an affidavit filed by government saying 476 children belonging to EWS and disadvantaged groups have been admitted in private schools.
Sir, my humble submission is that only when this petitioner went to the Honorable High Court in PIL 285 or 2024 and brought to the notice of the Honorable High Court that this Act is 12(1)(c) is not being implemented in the state of Punjab, then only, sir, they issued the direction on 9th of April 2020.
Right. So now, in May 26, 2026, when the High Court disposed of the contempt proceeding, there is a reference to the affidavit filed to the effect that 476 children have been admitted.
So,
which are these schools? You have to help us now, or the High Court.
Sir, my humble submission, sir, in the petition also I submitted, sir, that the rule is that minimum 50,000 students have to be admitted, sir, because it's 25% of the total students admitted in 1 year in the private schools. And as per the government figures, statistics, almost 2 lakh students are admitted, sir, at the entry level in the private schools every year. 25% of that, sir, comes to 50,000. This is a continuous grievance which is being agitated, sir. And we are not able to get the relief because despite the instructions of the Honorable High Court, despite the instructions of the Honorable...
What is the government policy in Punjab? Do they compensate the school?
Sir, universally, this is the policy. It's written in under Section 12 of the Act itself that the amount of the fee fixed by the government shall be paid to them as per the committee which is there, sir.
No, but we are telling you very bluntly. We hope that you are not fighting for these private schools, that they want to be paid by the government.
Sir, very humbly, if you don't misunderstand me, sir. Sir, in 2009, I was Joint Secretary in Government of India who was involved in drafting the RTE Act itself. No, what I'm saying, sir, I have no interest in private sector, sir. I left IAS, sir.
Well, I do one thing.
Sir.
You must be having at least some channel, because you are actively working in this field. Find out at least one district survey and do it don't do for Jalandhar, don't do for Ludhiana, or don't for Amritsar even. Do for some comparatively backward area. Say, let us say like Abor Fazilka. Find out how many schools are there, private schools, and how many of them have refused to implement or have not granted admission at all. In Ludhiana, Jalandhar, people will some or the other get even good government schools also. Our concern will be more about this kind of area.
My Lordship, allow me, sir. Sir, I put a RTI just around 1 year back to all the districts, sir, saying how many students you have admitted, sir. So in the RTI, they say we have not admitted anyone, sir, for the last 15 years. I put RTI to all districts asking how many students you have admitted under Section 12(1)(c). This is no. So my only humble submission is that Government of India can now step in.
Issue notice returnable. You see, problem with RTI is, RTI, they will respond, they will reply to the nature of the question you will formulate. These reply, those who give reply, they are also very, sometimes very, intelligently they will behave.
Yes, sir.
Your question should be one. That's why we are giving on pilot project, you pick up, say, district Fazilka.
Sir.
How many private schools are recognized schools in this district? 1. 2, are these schools recognized by CBSE by State of Punjab, by State Education Board. 3, how many total seats are sanctioned in this school? 4, how many students of this economically weaker section and marginalized sections have been admitted? Very simple. The moment you will have these 5 questions, probably you will have an exact answer.
Sir, but I'll have to rely on RTI only, sir, because otherwise I won't have any information, sir.
We are issuing notice. Meanwhile, just do about one
Please,
district.
I would.
Let us.
I will, sir, whatever my lordships have ordered, I will do that. Faithfully do it, sir.
Please do that.
I will faithfully do
That will help us in understanding.
I will faithfully do it, sir.